Hi everybody, Teresita here. Picking a topic and finding keywords are an important part of the research process. The first thing to do is to take a look at your assignment and figure out what are the requirements. What kind of assignment or essay is it? Do you need to take a stance, make an argument, provide facts or data? The type of assignment will tell you where you need to start. For example, if you need to write an argument essay that cites at least 2 scholarly sources, then you'll need to find sources from both sides of the argument. You would also need to use library resources to find scholarly sources. Next, you will need to choose your topic. In some assignments, your professor gives you a list of topics you can choose from. In other cases, you're free to choose almost anything you want. Be sure to pick a topic that you find interesting. You'll be reading a lot of stuff about this topic, and you want to be at least somewhat interested in what you're reading. You'll also need to choose a topic that is not too broad. For example, a topic like video games or education is too broad. Think about why you want to research that topic. Let's say I need to write an essay about how technology has changed society. I decide I want to choose video games and how they've changed society. But why? If a friend asks me why I'm writing an essay about video games and society, what would I say? I might think to myself, well, when I was growing up, I remember my older brother would play a lot of video games and that he didn't spend a lot of time with his friends or playing outside, and I wonder what that did or how it affected him. Now I've got a great topic. I want to find out, how do video games change teenagers' behaviors and relationships with friends? Here are some more examples of focused research topics. Are teenagers who play video games more likely to be violent? How did the civil rights movement affect voter registration laws in the 1960s? How does media affect children's attitudes? How is economic inequality demonstrated in the book Black Like Me? Once you've got a topic, the next thing you'll want to do is find the keywords. Look at your topic and try to figure out what the main concepts are. A good way to do this is to write it all down and highlight the main words. In general, they'll be the most important nouns or phrases. In this example, the most important nouns are video games, teenagers, behavior, and relationships with friends. Try to ignore words like affect or change or other verbs, as you want to focus on the subjects in your topic, not the way one influences the other. Then try to think of all the synonyms or other words you could use for these subjects. For example, video games can be media, gaming, or online games. If you can't think of any, that's okay. As you continue on to start your research, you'll find other words and phrases that are helpful for your research. And as always, a librarian is here to help with any aspect of your research. Feel free to reach out for help with finding keywords, narrowing down your topic, or anything else you need help with. Use the Picking a Topic tutorial on the bottom of this page to write down your research topic and start exploring your keywords.